In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quick access shortcut for Google Sheets right on your desktop using Google Chrome. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, allowing you to access your spreadsheets with just a click. Let's dive in and guide you through this simple process. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome open, head over to sheets.google.com. It's the primary hub where all your Google Sheets documents reside, and having immediate access will save you precious time every day. So take a moment to make sure you're logged into your Google account to view your spreadsheets after you've completed the setup. Now shift your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You should see 3 vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu with several options. These are shortcuts to different functionalities within the browser, making it your one-stop shop for Chrome settings and tools. Next, in the drop-down menu, look for an option that says Save and Share. If you're using an older version of Chrome, don't worry. This option might be listed as More Tools instead. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to another submenu. Within this submenu, you should see an option that says Create Shortcut. Click on it, as this is the key step in creating a handy desktop icon. Upon selecting Create Shortcut, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you for a little more information. This is where you'll name your new shortcut. Enter Google Sheets in the field provided. The name is entirely up to you, but for clarity and ease of finding it later, naming it something descriptive like Google Sheets is recommended. Right below the text field where you entered the shortcut name, there's a checkbox that says Open as Window. Make sure to check this box. What this does is allow your new shortcut to launch Google Sheets in its own dedicated window, rather than merely opening a new tab within Chrome. This feature is particularly useful if you frequently work with multiple windows, as it helps minimize distractions and keeps your spreadsheets front and center. Finally, click the Create button, which will finalize the process. With that click, you'll notice a new icon on your desktop. It's the familiar Google Sheets logo, ready to be double-clicked whenever you need to access your spreadsheets quickly. There you have it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for Google Sheets. This simple setup is a real game changer if you use spreadsheets regularly. Enjoy the ease of access and get ready to boost your productivity with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet